RC Racer here, doing just a quick review of the Tamiya RC bag, hauler bag. So yeah, let's check it out here. This is a $17.95 bag, and this is to take RC trucks. So to the right I've got the FTX Outback 2. So we're going to see how big this bag is. So Dylan, can I just get you to open the box for me? Open the bag. Right, if you hold this and open it up, so you're going to put something inside of it. So open the bag up, put it down on the floor so people can see. That's it. That's it. That's it. I'm dressed as Spider-Man. There you go. Spider-Man helping me. Okay, so open that bag up. Now can you put the truck in there? Does it fit? So the shell's not on the truck properly, so what you might want to do is just in the bag, looking in the bag itself, does it have a base bit? Open it up, flat. Where's the bottom? There you go. So you need to push that bit flat.
This bit?
Yeah, so you hold the bag out. Let's push this out. Okay.
Open it in.
No, a bit more. Let's pause it. That's in there now, if you do it up. Now pick it up by the handles. And carry it like you would in your hand. How's that?
Good.
Cool, so that's the unbagging of the Tamiya bag. Yeah, so £20 fits a 110 scale model. Is there plenty of room in there for other things?
Yeah.
Tools and other bits, yeah?
Yeah.
Cool. Alright, RC Racer out.